Okay, welcome back to the channel. Let's take a look at AUD USD. To those that are yet to subscribe, please make sure you click on the subscribe button. Please make sure you like. Also, make your comment. I definitely would love to watch out for it. So, with this, right, we can see that we are kind of like having a drop on AUD USD, due to the fact that DXY is actually seeing a bullish momentum. DXY is actually going bullish. So basically, any other pairs we are trading to USD, we definitely fall. So one of those trade that is falling is AUD USD. So we would want to know where this price will be moving for today, which is for the 24. Right here, yesterday, no much movement, right, that was made, right? Today, I don't believe there will be much movement, though it depends on the news. I think AUD USD will actually drop. By the way, the news can actually change the direction for this because we are expecting a news on core PC. So this news, right? If it's case it will actually come out like higher than the forecast, right? We will expect USD to actually see a bullish move, thereby AUD to USD will actually fall. If in case news will come out that way, then we expect AUD to USD fall. But if not, we might see a change in direction upward on AUD USD. So I'm going to try to, in the New Year section, I'll try and update you guys. That is if I have a chance, because I don't really think I will. But once I can get a chance, if I say I can get a chance to update you guys on what we should be expecting, especially once the news comes out, or which direction we should be concentrating on once the news comes out, then I'm going to definitely let you guys to know. But right now, we just have to watch out. But if before the news comes out, right, let's continue with the trend movement as this is a correction. Let's see if in the London section tomorrow we will kind of like have another drop that will take out these lows here. You can see these lows that we had the correction from. We should be able to expect another drop that will actually take out this bottom low and drop a bit. So maybe once that news comes out, maybe the news will actually push AUD down more, or it will actually change the direction. That is what I have. To those that are yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, I'm going to put a link to my channel there so you can actually subscribe, especially if you're having trade, maybe you're having problem blowing up your accounts, right? I'm definitely going to be sharing with you trade for the day, the trade that I take for a day, and also the trade for the week. I'm definitely going to be sharing with you. Last week we actually had a very wonderful trade. Last week also we also had a wonderful trade. So this week also we have gotten another wonderful trade. So I'm going to actually create a playlist so you guys can actually go to work confirm with here, right? We actually took about 8 trade, right? And we also in that 8 trade we only have 2 failed trade. And basically when you take a look at that 2 failed trade, they are just a little bit of a loss. But compared to our winning trade, you see that we actually add more. And one of those winning trade is USD Chinese yuan. We actually be able to grab about 600 plus pips from it. When you take a look at SAU USD, we actually grab, if not more than 300 pips, probably close to 300 or more than 300 pips. Nasdaq 100, we also grab more than 200 pips. So basically, this our win. We actually grabbed more. We actually had big win, while a very small loss. So this that I've put out here are actually 7, 5.3 with just 2 loss. So it's mean one more that is actually playing out, which is WTI. Once the price hits our target today, which is for the 24, because we are actually on a profit on WTI. Once it hits our target today, I'm definitely going to let you guys to know. So see all the trade out there, you can see it. You can see WTI. I'm going to put it very soon. But you can see USD Swiss Chinese yuan. You can see Nasdaq 100. You can see S&P 500. You can see silver. You can see nat gas. You can see gold. You can see GBP New Zealand dollar. So basically, all the trade we had are actually in this channel here. So you can actually go to watch it. So, and if in case you are interested in subscribing with just 20 USD a month, you can become one of our Patreon subscribers.